Ignore that. So recently, the reason I haven't been uploading is because my computer has been mean to me. It's been running hot, and we haven't known why it's been running hot until we just did maintenance yesterday. And give me a second, I'll show you. Let me just get the cover off of my computer. Go fast. Here we go. My radiator, the fans haven't been running underneath it. So in my computer, right, ignore this mess of jumbled wires. I don't know how well you can see that, but right there above my motherboard, there's fans. You can see a little bit of them right there. And then, so yeah, those fans, they weren't running. They weren't cooling down the coolant inside the loop of the radiator. So basically, all the radiator was doing is hot fluid was coming through it, cooling it down tiniest bit, and then going back into the loop. And that was causing my CPU to run hot. And I could never hear this sound on startup. That sound, and I can feel really cold air coming out of here now. Now, an export that was supposed to take 4 hours, the spectrum for today, you'll see that around 12. It took 30 minutes to export when it was supposed to take 2 to 3 hours. But yeah, the computer's already doing better. That means the CPU is going to last long. It should last a really long time. I thought it was close to dying because, well, it was running hot. So yeah, just wanted to give you a quick update. Be seeing more every other day uploads, so yeah.